Hello and thank you for joining me for this training video. Today we'll be covering the issue transactions for stock items. We'll also cover some configuration options which are limited to customers with a standard or higher package and administrative access. We'll start off by loading the pick or issue transaction from the sidebar on the left. For users who use this transaction or any transaction frequently, I would recommend go ahead and click the star. This will make the item appear in the favorites menu. The transaction page has three distinct areas. There's the top info section, the buttons, and the pending transaction section. The top info section is for users to enter the information related to what or who the items are issued to. This could be projects, this could be an individual, it could be departments, or it could be simply used. The pending transaction area is for the items being issued. Simply select, type, or scan the item number into the Select Stock Item dropdown, and then input the quantity. If the items are in multiple locations, the user will need to specify where the items are coming from. For advanced item tracking, users will need to use the lot number or the serial number, called the inventory ID, instead of the stock item number. Users of standard or higher packages will also have the option to use a sales order. The sales order will automatically populate the transaction with the details including the customer, the stock items, and the quantities. All that remains is to verify the from location, and in some cases, specify the exact inventory ID used. Now, before hitting the process button, let's take a look at the options in this button section. There is the option to print the receipt. This option can be turned on or off in the system configuration, where the administrator is also able to select the report which will be used as the receipt. If the transaction needs to be wiped prior to processing, simply hit the clear button. For users with the standard or higher packages and administrative access, there is also the Edit Forms button. This will allow the administrator to rename or hide fields based on the security level, or also to make specific fields required. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a couple other pieces to the transaction and set some override pricing. Now that the items have been issued out, we can review the historical information in either the History section or the Issue History Reports category. Thank you again for joining me for this video. Be sure to check out the rest of our training videos for any other questions.